the takeout and subsequent cringe as hell interview from Haiden Deegan has been apologized for. This from his Instagram story saying, quote, "I want to apologize for what I said in my recent interview. I take full responsibility. It was wrong. To everyone who supports me, I don't take your support for granted. I'm learning, growing, and doing better moving forward. Thank you for holding me accountable." Now, if you missed this somewhere, I don't know how you possibly did. It was basically for the interview where he said, "I want to congratulate Cole. He's riding really good. 2 laps to go. I wanted to win. I was going to do anything for it." Not so bad so far. Pretty normal interview. "I saw an opening and took the chance. This means a lot on the title. Coming in, people doubted me and thought I was all hype coming into Supercross and Motocross. They are just mad that I'm him. If you don't like it, you can suck it." That was the part right there that I'm assuming is the major problem. The rest of the interview, not too bad, really. I mean, it is what it is. He said he was going to come in and, run for the championship. He did exactly that. It's the very end where you're telling everybody you can suck it, and it's bad. I mean, it's a unhumble, whatever you want to call it, interview, but you have to do at some point think about the amount of hate this kid gets. I mean, he's on the podium. He just won his title. He should be happy and people should be cheering. And all you hear is people booing. And I'm assuming, he gets just a ton of it. I'm not making an excuse for it. It's a horrible interview. It's a really cringe, young, whatever, cocky, stupid thing to say. But you got to also factor in that it is. Every single day he's there, the amount of hate he gets online, the boos he gets everywhere he goes. At a certain point, it just, probably wears on you a little bit. And again, not making an excuse for it, but it's just one of those stupid things that, hopefully he's 19. Hopefully he will grow out of this, like, sort of cocky, I need to be brash. I don't know. But it sucks. I mean, obviously, it should be a super happy time. Family there, mechanic there, team there. They should be celebrating and, not having to worry about what people think. And I don't know. It's stupid of him to do. And I think if I read right correctly, if I can remember this, he got a warning for both the supposedly over-aggressive racing and also the interview, and I think a fine too. I'm not quite sure. I can't find any specifics on that, but I mean, it is a couple days late. Should have, sort of said a sorry on the podium and not done the rest of it, but at least there's a podium, or at least there's an apology now. And I don't know, this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think of the next week? Obviously, with the East-West shootout for the final round, the East title is still up for grabs with 3 people. It's going to be a good one. And I don't know, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things you can on this platform because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.